this is the final result of this video. This is a fully working website. It has a few pages. They're fully customizable, and I'm going to show you how to set everything up within the next 20 minutes. I'm going to take you step by step through the whole process and basically show you the fastest and cheapest possible way to get everything set up. To have a website, you need two things. You need a domain, which is mybusiness.com or something like that, and that costs about $10 a year. And you need a host. I'm going to show you what the cheapest host is and how to get everything set up. And so yeah, let's just get started. Okay, so to be completely transparent with you guys, I am affiliated with two popular hosting providers. One is hosting.com and the second one is hostinger.com. There's links to both of them in the description. If you use my links to make a purchase, it basically gives me a small commission and it helps me continue making these videos. If you don't want to use the affiliate links, you can just go directly to the websites and that's totally fine. So at the time I'm making this video, Hosting has a deal that starts at $199 and Hostinger starts at $299 a month. Hosting has a better 1-year option. It totals to $24 and that includes the domain for the first year. Okay, so let's just go with 1 year, and then server location, just pick the closest location to your users. I'm gonna go with Germany because I'm in Europe, and then register a new domain. Let's just go with myawesomebusinessllc.com. Let's see if that's available. It is. Add to basket. Okay, great. Confirm and proceed. Okay, now for some reason they make you buy the domain for 2 years, but we can change that. Just click on edit and then switch from 2 years to 1 year, and that makes it free. Confirm and proceed. Okay, great. So now that totals to $24. Let's proceed to checkout. Okay, continue. Okay, let's add our billing. Okay, great. Order complete. And now we can just go and set up our website. Okay, so go to all products and then click on login to control panel. Okay, then scroll down and find WordPress Manager by Softaculous, or just scroll to the bottom and you have WordPress. They're both the same thing. So click on that and then hit install. Now make sure the protocol is set to HTTPS, not HTTP, and the directory should be empty. Set up your site name and the description and uncheck all these plugins. Now set the admin username and the password and then the email, and after that just click install. Okay, so now you have a fresh WordPress install. If you open your website, it should be accessible, and the next thing we're going to do is install a theme and start customizing it. But before we do that, I'm going to show you how to install WordPress on Hostinger too. So go to website and then click on create or migrate website, business, select WordPress, and then pick the language, add your email and password, hit continue. Deselect all these plugins, then skip the AI thing. You have the skip button right here. And after that, you're done. We should all be looking at the same thing. Now click on admin panel. If you want to get to the admin panel, just add /admin up at the end of the URL. Okay, now log in. Okay, now go to appearance, themes, then go to add theme and search for Bosa cleaning. Okay, and we're gonna go and pick the first theme, click install. Okay, then activate. Get started, click on that button. That's gonna install all these plugins. Okay, so that's installed. Now there's a bunch of banners we can close, so let's just close them. Okay, let's refresh the page because you usually have to close them twice for some reason. Okay, now let's hover over the first one and click import, then install and activate. Okay, now click next, and yes, import. Okay, so now we're done. Let's visit the site. So as you can see, everything is installed. Now, if we scroll down, we can see that the home page is pretty much complete. We have the About Us, services. I don't know what project is. I guess a list of projects. Okay, testimonials, blog, and contact. Okay, so now the last thing we need to do is actually add our content, our images and logo. So the way you add your own details and content, let's say you want to change the logo. So to change the logo, go to customize, Okay, then go to site identity on the left, and you have change logo. Then go to upload files and upload your own logo. It should be in a PNG format so that it has a transparent background. Now, if you don't have a logo, you can go to canva.com and search for cleaning service logo or something like that. And you have all of these free logos you can use. Not all of them are free though. But yeah, just pick a template you like and just add your company name, add the colors, and then just import it in WordPress, and that should be it. If you want to change the colors, you can go to colors and change all these colors, and they will update in real time on the whole website. Okay, but now let's assume you're done with the logo. Next thing we're gonna focus on is this top section. So to edit that, hover over the edit with the Elementor and select header. Close this. Now to make any changes you want, all you have to do is just click on this edit icon, and then on the left side you can add your own email.com. You can add your own details. Obviously, if you want to remove a section, right click and delete. If you want to undo, hit Control Z or Command Z if you use a Mac. Okay, let's publish that. Now let's preview the page again. Okay, that looks right. Now let's say you want to remove some items from the menu. So go to dashboard and then go to appearance and menus. You can also go directly to menus from right here. And in here, you can remove some pages you don't want. Okay, let's say you don't need the project page or the testimonial page. To remove it, you can just expand it and hit remove. Okay, and then save menu. Now, if you refresh the page, as you can see, items are gone. So that's great. Now, let's assume you're trying to set the social links. So you're gonna set them in the header. So header, click edit, and you have a list of links. You can remove the ones you don't need. Just press the X. If you want to add new items, you can do that too. If you want to add the links, add the link right here. And once you're done, just hit publish, and that's pretty much it. Now let's focus on the bottom part of the website. You have the footer. So let's say you want to make some changes to this part. The way you do that is you hover and pick footer. Okay, now again, the same exact way. If you want to edit things, you just click on the edit icon and start making changes, removing links, add your own details, your own address, change the copyright 2025, social links, remove some of them, and then hit publish, and that's pretty much it. Okay, now let's focus on the actual content of the pages we have. So to edit the page, just click on edit with Elementor. So don't hover anymore, just click, and that's gonna open the main editor. Okay, and now to make changes, it works the same exact way. Just click on the edit button, and on the left side you'll be able to see all the settings you can make and the text you can change. If you want to edit the image, for example, right here, choose image and upload your own. Let's say you want to remove some sections. You don't want this section, right click and delete, and it's gone. To undo, like I said, hit Control Z. And yeah, click edit and add your changes, subtitle. You can format the style, you can change the colors, you can change pretty much everything. And yeah, you do the same exact thing to all the sections of the website. One note, the blog section is a little bit different. So if you try to edit this, you'll notice that you can't really remove individual blog posts. So the way blog posts work is if you go to dashboard and then go to posts, all posts, you can see that these are the posts you have. And if you want to remove them from the home page or the blog page, you will have to remove them from here. So just trash one of them and they're going to disappear. Now, if you want to create blog posts, you can just click add post. add a title, add your post, and then hit publish, and it's gonna appear on both this section and on the blog page from the menu. Now, for the sake of simplicity, maybe you want to just get rid of it. You don't want to have a blog. So the way you do that is just click X, and it's going to delete the whole container, or right click and delete. It does the same thing. Okay, so we just got rid of it. Now let's hit publish, and let's move on with the rest of the pages. So it got removed. Now, about us works the same exact way. Just edit with Elementor and just edit the page. It's really straightforward. Yeah, just hit edit and then just add your own content. Same with services. Again, if you want to get rid of the page completely, just go to menus and just remove it from the menu, or just go to dashboard pages and remove it from the page right here, and it's going to disappear from the menu too. Okay, so services, that's done. Now, blog, unfortunately, you cannot edit the same way, so you won't be able to click edit with Elementor. So like I said, the blog page gets generated from your posts. So all new posts will be added on this page. Now, if you want to remove or customize this section, the sidebar, to do that, you go to customize and find widgets, click on that, and then right sidebar. And here you are able to pretty much do whatever you want. You can remove sections, you can reorder, you can add new ones, calendar, or whatever you want to add, images, text, and then hit publish, and that's pretty much it. And finally, you have the contact us page. Works the same exact way. One note on this page is you have the embedded map. Unfortunately, that map uses Google's API, so if you try to edit it, on the left you'll see that it says it's using Google Maps API. To add the API key, it's really simple. Just paste it here and then just add the location, and it should work. If you want to create one, you can do that clicking here. The only problem is Google asks for your credit card. They give you a limited number of credits for free, but if you run out of credits, you will basically get charged. So one option is to completely remove the map if you don't want to pay anything. A second option, a free alternative, I guess, is to just let's add an empty block and go and hit the plus image. We're just going to add an image of a map, and we're going to link it to Google Maps. So choose image, upload, and now let's go to style and add some border radius just to make it more round. Go to content, make it full. Okay, that looks full width. Okay, now we're going to go and link custom URL and just go and okay, and we're just going to take your location, Costco, I don't know, and just copy it and just paste it right here. Hit publish. Okay, now if we go ahead and open the contact page, we're going to see the map, and we're going to be able to click on it, and it's going to open the location. So that's pretty much what you would want to have. The only downside is that you won't be able to pan the map on your website. You will have to go to Google Maps to do it. That's the only downside. Okay, so that's pretty much it. That's how you set a cleaning website setup. So that people can and customers and clients can contact you and can read about your services. If you have any questions, you can post them in the comments below, and I'll try to answer all of them. I'm online most of the time, so but yeah, that's pretty much it. If you find this video useful, leave a like, subscribe, and yeah, that's pretty much it.